Electron microscopy allows us to see beyond the limits of light, revealing the nanoscale world where atoms, viruses, and materials take shape. By combining precision imaging with expert analysis, we uncover the structures that underpin life and matter itself, driving discovery across many areas of research.
Here at the Electron Microscope unit, our job is to use advanced imaging techniques to reveal structural information down to the nanometre level, that is a millionth of a millimetre. So we use electron microscopes and computer processing to reveal structures that can't really be seen in any other way, that facilitates new discoveries in biology, medicine and material science. In the Electron Microscope unit, we provide a full service from specimen preparation, imaging and data collection through to image processing and image analysis.
Kia ora, my name is Nathan Kenny. I'm a lecturer over at the Biochemistry Department here at the University of Otago. What I do is actually work with marine invertebrates and how they respond to climate change. Using a variety of EM techniques, we're able to go and have a look at the differences in their ultrastructural properties and seeing how they may be responding at the cellular level to changing oceanic conditions. The great thing about the EM unit, you have access to experts who are here all the time, who are able to help out in big or small problems, and it means that my students can really hit the ground running, get things done efficiently, and move on with the other aspects of their project.
Electron microscopy bridges worlds, from the structure of ancient rocks and minerals to the future of biomaterials, medicine and cancer therapy. In the EM unit, we provide the tools, expertise and insight to explore the nanoscale world, supporting research that advances science, health and discovery in Aotearoa and beyond.